बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया में लॉज सिर्फ औरतों के लिए बने हैं, बट दैट्स नॉट द ट्रूथ. In India, there are laws which are also made for Indian men. So hi guys, I am Shivika Mehra and आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी those 10 legal rights which are guaranteed to every Indian man. And as a man living in India, you should be aware of these rights. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Right that we are going to discuss today is presumption of innocence. ये वो right है जो हर Indian man के पास है. For an example, if you today are charged of a crime, you cannot be guilty. मतलब अगर आज आपको कोई accuse करता है of a particular crime, कोर्ट आपको guilty नहीं मान लेता है. You are innocent unless you are proven to be guilty. This is a fundamental principle which is followed by the Supreme Court of India. So always remember that no person can be punished without proper evidence and without a proper trial. The next right is right to protection from false complaints. इसका बहुत सिंपल मतलब ये है कि अगर आज आप पे कोई फॉल्स केस फाइल करता है, आप पे कोई फॉल्स एलिगेशंस लगाता है, सो यू एज एन अक्यूज्ड पर्सन कैन एक्चुअली फाइल अ केस अगेंस्ट दैट पर्सन जिसने आप पे फॉल्स क्लेम्स लगाए हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज द पावर ऑफ क्रिमिनल लॉ. सो एज एन इंडियन मैन अगर आप पे कोई गलत इल्ज़ाम लगाता है, यू हैव द पावर टू फाइल अ केस अगेंस्ट दैट पर्सन जिसने आप पे गलत इल्ज़ाम लगाए थे, एंड द लॉ विल पनिश दैट पर्सन. बिकॉज अगर कोई भी लीगल सिस्टम का misuse करता है, then that is not appreciated by the law. So this is your second legal right. The next legal right is right to anticipatory bail. इसका बहुत सिंपल मतलब है कि अगर आपको डर लग रहा है कि आपका फ्यूचर में अरेस्ट हो सकता है, then beforehand आप कोर्ट से anticipatory bail ले सकते हैं. So basically ये एक ऐसा राइट है जो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करता है from getting arrested. इसका बहुत सिंपल मतलब है कि आप एंटिसिपेट कर लेते हैं कि इन द टाइम्स टू कम आपका अरेस्ट हो सकता है, एंड यू टेक प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली टेक एन एंटिसिपेटरी बेल. सो दिस इज अ वे टू सीक प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम अरेस्ट. सो दिस इज योर नेक्स्ट लीगल राइट. The next legal right is right to equality. Right to equality का बहुत सिंपल मतलब है that everybody is considered to be equal in the eyes of the law. आदमी हो औरत हो, लॉ को उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज इक्वल इन द आइज ऑफ द लॉ. And under Article 14 of the Indian Constitution, it is your right to be treated in an equal manner without being discriminated on the grounds of gender. The next right is right to fair trial. Under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, आपके पास right है to be tried fairly. इसका बहुत सिंपल मतलब है कि अगर आप पे कोई accusations लगते हैं, आप पे कोई इल्ज़ाम लगते हैं, आपको कोई blame करता है of a particular crime, then the courts ensure that justice is done through a due process. Basically अगर आप पे कुछ भी इल्ज़ाम लगते हैं, then it is your right to have a fair trial and then decide हो कि आप guilty हैं या innocent है. This is your next right. The next right is right against self-incrimination. इसका बहुत सिंपल मतलब है कि आज आपको कोई फोर्स नहीं कर सकता है कि आप अपने खिलाफ ही कोई गवाही दें. Basically, you cannot be forced to testify against your own self. This is something which the law prohibits. So basically, आपके पास right है against self-incrimination. So basically, under Article 20 of the Indian Constitution, no person can be forced to testify against themselves. The police cannot force a confession, and this is your next legal right. कि आपको ये फोर्स नहीं करवाया जा सकता कि आप अपने खिलाफ ही गवाही दें, because that is your legal right. That you can actually stand up against self-incrimination. The next legal right is right to legal representation. Every person has a right to consult a lawyer, and अगर आपके पास enough resources नहीं है, then you can actually take aid of free legal services and you can actually take help from NLSA, which is the National Legal Services Authority. Basically आप free legal aid seek कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास enough resources नहीं है to hire a legal representative, because hiring a legal representative is your legal right. The next legal right is right to file defamation case. So इसका बहुत simple मतलब है कि अगर आपके अगेंस्ट कोई फॉल्स चार्जेस लगाता है, कोई फॉल्स क्लेम्स करता है and that ruins your reputation, then you can actually file a case of defamation against that person, claiming कि आपकी reputation को harm हुआ है. So basically, under the Indian Penal Code of 1860, it is your legal right to stand up अगेंस्ट डेफमेशन. अगर कोई भी इंसान आप पे कोई झूठे आरोप लगाता है जिससे आपकी रेपुटेशन को हार्म होता है, आपकी गुडविल हार्म होती है, उस केस में आप कोर्ट में केस फाइल कर सकते हैं एंड दैट इज योर लीगल राइट. द नेक्स्ट राइट इज राइट टू बेल. इसका बहुत सिंपल मतलब है कि अगर आज आपका अरेस्ट हो जाता है and if you really want to come out of the jail for a temporary period of time, you can apply for bail. And अगर कोर्ट अलाउ करता है then you can be temporarily released from the jail. So basically, to be able to file for bail is your legal right. The last and the most important right that every man should be aware of is right to constitutional remedies. इसका बहुत सिंपल मतलब ये है that under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution आपके पास पावर है कि अगर आपका कोई भी fundamental right violate होता है then you can directly approach the Supreme Court of India. It is your legal right to directly approach the highest legal body in our country, India, the apex body of our country. So basically अगर आपका कोई भी fundamental right violate होता है then you have a right under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution to directly approach the Supreme Court. Additionally, to mention, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as the father of our Constitution, called this right as the heart and soul of our Indian Constitution. So basically, Article 32 of the Indian Constitution is considered to be as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution. And this right is very, very, very important. So remember, the next time your fundamental rights are violated, you have Article 32 to protect you. I really hope that you found this video useful. Always please remember that the law is not for a particular gender, but it is for each and every citizen living in India. And the next time any of your rights are violated या आपके साथ कुछ गलत होता है, you know which rights should you exercise. Knowing your rights will help you secure justice in case you are wronged in any way by any person. And with this, I come towards the end of the video. But before I conclude the video, I just want to say that I come up with legal videos in which I explain law topics in a very simple manner with very relatable real life examples. So, अगर आपने मेरी अभी तक बाकी law videos नहीं देखी हैं, you can watch them. You will find the link in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. Additionally, अगर आपको किसी law topic में कुछ भी doubt है, you can let me know in the comments down below and I will film a separate video explaining that law topic to you in a very simple manner with very relatable real life examples. Till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Watch my other legal videos, share with your friends and family, and especially share this video with all the Indian men so that they know what are their legal rights. And please take care of yourselves. Bye bye.